How to use Google Authenticator with ByBit. So if you want to use Google Authenticator with ByBit, then what you need to do is first you need to make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, open up your ByBit application, make sure that you've logged into your account. Now you just need to simply go with your profile, which is on the upper left. From your profile, you need to just go with settings, which is on the top right. And from here, you need to go with security. Under security, you will have an option of Google two-factor authentication. You need to go and turn this on. Now you'll receive a code on your mail address. So you just need to simply go with your mail, enter the code that you've received on your mail. After that, you need to install your Google Authenticator app on your phone and then go with continue. Now you can copy the key. After copying, you can open up your Authenticator, go with enter a setup key, and then paste the key right here. The code name should be ByBit, and then go with time-based and then add. Once you've added, now you've added your ByBit key, right? You can go back and then go with next, and here you need to enter the key from your Authenticator. So paste this and enter it right here. After pasting, your Google two-factor authentication has been enabled. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.